Hey team, in this video we will be analyzing and forecasting the market for gold from 11 till 12 September from both technical and fundamental perspective. So in the end of the video you would know what trading opportunities we are potentially seeing in the market. Let's begin. Now giving a quick recap, here we have drawn our support trend line some around 1941 yesterday, and here we have given signal to go long some around 1942 till some around 1935. The traders who have accumulated their long on a retest towards this particular support zone of this ascending channel which we have highlighted. So as expected, since we did see a retest towards this particular resistance zone, we did see a bearish momentum entering in the market, and we did see a retest towards this particular support zone. Now coming on the trading opportunities for 11 and 12 September, let me remove my drawings, is that here we can particularly draw a support trend line which would be our initial entry trigger point. Moreover, in the market on Friday or on 11 September, we aren't seeing any significant fundamentals moving the market, due to which we can see that the market could either trade sideways, or we can see an higher high move. Thus, there are very less chances that we did see a breakthrough this particular support zone. Moreover, here on a 4-hourly chart, we can also spot a particular ascending channel for the market for the gold. This would be the resistance, and this would be the particular support. Now coming on the trading opportunities, is that we would be triggering a long position some around 1943 with our stop losses just placed below the recent lows some around 1934, with our take profit of some around 1957. This trade will give an risk to reward of approx 1 ratio 1.5. Moreover, if we did hit our stop losses, no need to worry or panic. We would wait for the market to retest towards this particular support zone in order to turn into a resistance zone, and that would be our entry trigger point for a sale position, with our stop losses would be placed some around 1952, with our take profits of some around 1935. This trade will give a risk reward of approx 1 ratio 1.2. Keep in mind we are more bullish for the market for the gold. Now coming on the fundamentals, why we should be bullish for the market for the gold, as we did see a devaluation in the value of the dollar, which means that we can further see an advancement in the gold. Now coming on the bearish fundamental, why did we see a huge bearish momentum entering in the market from some around 1963 till some around 1936, that is some around 30 points movement in the market within half or in one day, is due to the fact that we have seen that the stimulus packages suggested were denied by the parliament, and the votes which they get were less than the votes against it. Thus, no stimulus packages were given for in order to combat the COVID-19 pandemic, the effect on the businesses, due to which we can see that the devaluation due to which would be on the dollar due to the stimulus packages are now decreased. That means that the dollar would not lose its value, which means we can see a further decline in the prices for the gold. Thus, today we are neutral in the market. Moreover, neutral in the market, we can either see a higher high move in the market for the gold or a lower low momentum. Initially, we are bearish, and our stop losses would be placed somewhere around 1935, entry trigger point of 1943, with a take profit of 1956. However, if we did see our stop losses being hit, no need to worry. We would trigger our sale position in order to take our money which we have lost on and retest towards this particular support zone, turning into a resistance. In the entry trigger point, stop loss, entry trigger point would be somewhere around 1954 with our stop loss placed just above this particular resistance zone, somewhere around 1951, with our anti-trigger point, with our take profit of somewhere around 1927. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1:1. So both strategies are explained, bearish and bullish. If you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. If you like the video, do like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.